Hey man, we have another pair of super clean kicks in today. So you already know we gotta unbox these things, talk about them, and these right here might be something you want to go after before that resale start hiking up, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, come rock out with your boy The Vintage, and come chop it up with me down below in the comment section. You guys know I respond to every single comment, so feel free, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about whatever topic we are talking about in the videos, man. And if you are new to the channel, sub up right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, become a member of the notification squad, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. All right, man, so we have another pair of Air Jordan 4s, and these right here actually released this year, and I feel like this is one of them pairs that people, you know, the release came and then right after people just instantly forgot about them, which is weird. And usually when that tends to happen, you know what I'm saying, either they sold out super quick, it wasn't a lot of hype, and the next thing you know, that resale starts to climb. And I checked the resale on these guys right here, and I don't remember when they got as high as they are right now, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Shouts out to the homie Ryan Got Soul. If you guys watched my grill unboxing, mentioned that I got, you know what I'm saying, a pair of those Air Jordan 4 Topazes from him, but he also sold another pair of Air Jordan 4s out of his collection. Like I said, we were the same size, and I was super excited to grab these, add them to the collection, because I sold a lot of my Air Jordan 4s out of my collection when I downsized. From now on, bro, I ain't selling no more Air Jordan 4s, no more Air Jordan 3s, or Air Jordan 1s. I might sell a couple Air Jordan 1s because I have so many of 4s and 3s. Hey man, I love rocking the joints. The fits be looking clean. But yeah, that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and get into this package. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Hold on, y'all. He like triple tape these joints up. Appreciate the secure packaging. I know I keep referencing the Air Jordan 1 Palominos, and I bought those kicks. The box that they were put into were super huge, and when they arrived to my doorsteps, the box was all jacked up. So if you're selling a pair of sneakers, man, just use a box that you got from Nike and your sneakers will fit in there just fine. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. Another Air Jordan 4 in the collection, bro. Your boy is super excited. Let's pull these things out. Let's pull them out. Y'all see it, bro. Another Air Jordan 4 box. Super dope. Big red Jumpman up top. Of course, you got your flight right there. I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna refrain from touching it, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and check over here and read the official size, tag, colorway, all that good stuff, man. So this is a women's exclusive. This is a women's Air Jordan 4 retro white, oil green, and dark ash. And of course, we got these things in a size 10.5, which is a size 9 in men right there, as you guys can see. Go ahead and peep that. Let's flip the top open. Hold on. Okay, 100% DS for a nice little steal, you feel me? So shouts out to the homie, and we're going to check these things out, man. Let's go ahead and get it in 3, 2, 1, and bam, bro. We have another clean pair of Air Jordan 4s. These are the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams, man. The only thing that I don't like what Jordan did about this is making it a women's exclusive. You know why? They did not extend the sizes. If they extend the sizes, I'm all good for it. That means, you know what I'm saying, the Bigfoot fellas, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and get to the women's exclusive. But they haven't been really doing extended sizes on women's exclusives lately. I don't know why that is. But of course, your boy rocks a size 9, which is a 10.5 in women. So we all fair game, we all fair play. And I'm definitely gonna cop a clean pair of Air Jordan 4s like this. Pulling both of them out of the box right here, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little 360, man. Like I said, these did release earlier this year, back in February. And it seems like, you know, the release came, it went, and nobody is talking about these anymore. So, you know what I'm saying, I was scrolling on StockX, scrolling on Go, and I was checking out the prices on these guys, and I said, bruh, when did it get that hot? Because I remember when they did drop, they was going for under retail. They was going for under retail. But 4s don't go for under retail that long. So I'm going to go ahead and check it out real quick. Put a screenshot over here as well. But for size 10.5 now on StockX, they're going for $286. It went from going for under retail to going for damn near $300. Go ahead and check that out. But I might have to put a screenshot up there. But yeah, $286. You know what I'm saying? You add shipping, taxes, fees, and all that stuff. You spending over $300 easily for these Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. Another women's exclusive I picked up was the Air Jordan 1 Seafoams right here. I got these joints from, I think I got these from homie Jay if I'm not mistaken. Another clean, you know, seafoam color. I really love the quality they threw on here. The nice nubuck that they threw on, that seafoam hits all around it, and the laces was extra different. And they said, you know what, that's not enough seafoams. Let's go ahead and throw it on the Air Jordan 4, and we got some clean like this right here, bro. Y'all can't tell me these joints ain't just straight fire, man. So earlier this year when I did downsize my collection, I think it was around March or April when I sold a lot of pairs out of my collection. This is a pair that I did sell. I never threw them on feet, but I did have them early. I did a whole, you know what I'm saying, review for you guys, let you guys know how they was hitting, what they was coming for. And I said in that video, I said these joints is super tough. And a lot of people are not talking about this as far as the type sneakers to drop in 2023, which I think is weird. Like, bruh, this is a super clean colorway. Let me know if I'm tripping, bro. Am I just gassing it up? Do I just love Air Jordan 4s that much? Or is this Seafoam Air Jordan 4 super crispy to y'all, man? You got the green Jumpman on the back. One thing I would knock on this is the leather quality. Leather quality is not that great. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but it's not terrible at all. It's like that nice flat, you know what I'm saying, leather that Jordan Brand be hitting us with sometime. But I'm not complaining about it. I know these might crease a little crazy. I think the colorway will help out, you know what I'm saying, the bad leather quality, just because that seafoam green is really nice. Kind of get that green glow vibe, but they did name this the Seafoam Jumpman on the tongue, and of course you got the flight written right under it. So Jordan Brand definitely been hitting us with some fire Air Jordan 4s lately. Like I said, this one right here went under the radar. I know when I unboxed this, and you guys probably did not expect me to show these right here, but this is definitely one of them pairs that if you forgot about it, I'm bringing it back up to your attention. Get them now. If you fit into the size that they did drop for the women's exclusive, man, I'm telling y'all, these joints are super clean. I'll be sure to hit you guys some B-roll. I told y'all, I'm done selling my Air Jordan 4s. I let these go once. I'm not letting them go again. I love these Air Jordan 4s right here, man. I'm not trying to gas it up either, bro. I'm trying not to, but I really like this Seafoam Air Jordan 4, man. So it's almost like they did a Green Glow 2.0. Maybe I'm stretching it a little bit, but you guys see right here, we have the Air Jordan 4 Green Glows. I remember these dropped back when I was in high school. I seen one of the homies rocking. I said, bruh, one day I know I'm gonna have them, and we finally got them here today. Super dope. And then we got the Seafoams right here. So you know what I'm saying, you can see a little slight resemblance in the two. You guys see where I'm coming. Y'all see where I'm coming, man. But that's neither here nor there. I want you guys to let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 4s. Is this up there, like top 5, top 10 releases of the year? I know some people might say no because the hype ain't there. But in all honesty, the colorway is super solid. I love what Jordan Brand did with the Seafoam Air Jordan 4s. And for me, this might go down as top 10. It might crack that top 10 list. I'm not sure yet. We still got a lot of heaters dropping this year, 2023. So I guess time will only tell. I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm super excited. I know you guys see me smiling the entire video because I was really excited about seeing these Air Jordan 4 Seafoams again. I had them back, you know what I'm saying, in January, February time frame. Sold them, regretted it, and now we have them back in the collection. I'm trying to tell you guys, cop them now if you can, before that resale continue to hike up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop on the channel. And please give a huge like on today's video, man. Show you guys some little heaters, you feel me? Super excited to have them back. So I want to just do a quick unboxing for the Vintage Squad, man. Drop y'all comments down below, thoughts, opinions over what we're showing you guys today, and stay tuned for all future content, like I said, by hitting the notification bell right now. I appreciate all the support. Again, thanks for tapping in, and with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video. Peace.